Okay, back again. For whatever reason, my camera just keeps cutting off. So, we have to align this with that. So this is our rail. Might be able to get both of these started. Lay it by yourself. It'll just hang there long enough to where you can kind of hold it. Now take your back rail, put that on, and just get one nut on it. And it also helps to grab a nut. I'm using my knee to kind of hold the tray. Just get it started. You're going to need some playroom. I'll take this one up, get it into position, and you have to spin the bolt to where the square part aligns with the drawer and the cabinet, the side rail. We're just going to put it on finger tight for right now. Let's get our other side. Other side. Now our back and rear rail, if you look here, there's a little tab. And that little tab is where the box, the toolbox, comes back and sits against that. So I'm just going to set this directly on top of these. You'll see what I mean. This flat part of the steel actually rides on the top of this rail. That's why I was saying don't over tighten it, because that moves this way, and if you pinch it in this much, it doesn't fit in there. These can all be left loose, because until you get that upper box on it, you need a little bit of playroom. Spin the cart. Get the other side. And again, you're going to drop the rail. Get this one around here where you can see. We're going to drop the rail and let the rail slide on top to where it rests on our two side rails. That's it. Now we need to get this in position. In my case, I want these to set side by side, so I have the handle on that side with the caster. So I want the casters on this side, tool thing on that side, so I want the face to be on this side. It'll go either direction, so you know, if you want to put it on that side, be left or right, doesn't really matter. Doing this by yourself, the last time it was a little tricky for me because you literally have to pick it up and slide it into the cart. Let me see if I can slide this down a little bit. Get this where you can see. And we're literally going to pick this thing up and slide it down through the rails. And it needs to rest on these supports. I did take the drawers out of it to make it a little lighter. It's very difficult to see what you're doing. There we go. Because you're kind of holding it. Like I said, it sits in those. It's pretty simple. I have the key here. As soon as I get it in the right spot. Did I lock it? Yes, I did lock it. This trouble with the other one over there, and it was me not getting it lined right.